This one-pot lasagna is the ideal nostalgic recipe from Grammy, except it comes together with half the effort. Delicious Italian sausage is paired with a homemade tomato sauce and large lasagna noodles for an incredible home meal. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where the vibes are immaculate and the food is delicious. My name is Yanni, and today we're making a one-pot lasagna. Before we begin, you know the deal. You have to hit that like button, hit subscribe, and tap on our notification bell. Let's get into it. In a pot over medium heat, add the olive oil with the chopped shallots and minced garlic. Sauté until they're translucent. Add the Italian sausage and ground turkey and cook this until it's browned. Strain the excess fat off the mixture and add the marinara sauce and a little bit of sugar. Tomatoes can be really acidic, so adding a touch of sugar is a nice way to balance that out and round out those flavors. Some Italian families opt for sugar, and I actually know some families that prefer baking soda, so try both and pick what you will. Add Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. Mix this in and simmer this for 20 minutes. Add the lasagna noodles and cook them until the noodles are perfectly al dente. While the noodles are doing their thing, let's prepare the ricotta mixture. In a mixing bowl, mix the Parmesan, egg, ricotta, parsley, Italian seasoning, salt, and black pepper. Mix this until it's smooth and creamy. Add spoonfuls of the ricotta mixture to the pot with fresh basil. Cover and simmer this on low for 35 minutes. Take it off the heat, let it stand for 15 minutes. Grate in fresh Parmesan over the top, and that is it. You serve it up, you enjoy it. It's so simple and incredibly delicious. For the full recipe, please head to the description box below, or we can head to cozymeal.com/recipes, where you will find this delicious meal, but also a whole library of others. Don't miss it, check it out. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button and also hit subscribe. As always, babes, my name is Yanni, and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios. Mwah! I'll see you next time.